Hi judges, the skin game. This is Tammy here with Owen for video 8. Owen presents with moderate inflammatory acne including papules, pustules, congestions, and post-inflammatory redness. His skin barrier was compromised from over-cleansings, caused a thin stratum, corneum, and sensitive. The main object was to reduce the inflammatory control barrier, clear congestions, and rebuild the barrier strength. Treatment focused on gentle enzyme exfoliations, light extractions, blue LED therapy, hydration, and support healing. His home routine was simplified to a mild cleanser, moisture, daily sunscreen, lifestyle guidance on hygiene and consistency will reinforce each week. I have to tell you, it was a very difficult journey for both of us, right? A lot's up and down. For me, and a lot of effort from you as well, Owen. By the end of this case study, Owen showed a few breakouts, reduced redness, clear pores, and overall healthier, more balanced complexions, right? I'm very happy with what you have. What about you?
I like it.
You like it a lot? We improve a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you for this opportunity for both of us, right? Thank you, Judge. See you at the game.